Welcome to another vlog. This time we are on the way to Los Angeles. Oh my god, this is so cute. What does it say? Oh my god, this is hilarious. My first time. Look at my logo. They pulled this logo from my website. Like, this team has been amazing to work with. Nationwide has been the best decision we've ever made. All done with my hair. I love it. I love the curls. We went very height with the curls because I'm traveling to LA, so I know my hair just falls literally in the next like 2 hours. I almost opened my window. Oh my god, my husband told me not to open my window because he got it tinted and they didn't put any labels, like little stickers on the window. So I was this close to open and mess up everything. But yeah, going home to finish packing, eat a little bit, and then be on the way to pick up Christine. Cannot wait. Welcome to another vlog. This time we are on the way to Los Angeles. So excited to go to Los Angeles. We're going to be hosting our training in downtown Marriott, and we are going to be there in about 2.5-3 hours, a little bit less than 3 hours. I'm driving now. Christine's going to drive the next 2 hours, and we should be there around 7:30 tonight, and then we're going to be going into the conference room right away. I asked them to get us the kit. Oh, sorry, I hope you guys can hear me. There was music. To get us the conference room right away so we can go in and we can set up everything. Maybe even unpack most of it, right? Prepare for tomorrow's training and then go to the room, have some dinner, eat something, sleep, get rest, chill, and then wake up tomorrow morning and host our 3-day training in Los Angeles.
LA, here we come.
So excited to be there. Her husband is coming with the kids. My husband's coming with the baby as well. They're gonna be there tomorrow or Friday, and then we're gonna be driving. Well, me at least, with my husband and the baby, we're gonna be driving back on Saturday. I have water. Today I have coconut water, and I made myself coffee before I left home. So I'm like, I have all the beverages. So we had to make a little stop, and we're gonna continue. We have about 3 more hours before we get to LA, and actually we have 1 more hour before we switch and Christine drives. Let's go. She has to lift the seat all the way. She's like zzz, zzz.
And then we have to move it forward.
That is You're so funny. So we are 1 hour and 45 minutes away from LA. Stop to pee again. Christine got herself coffee, and we are going to be continuing the traveling to LA. We just got to the room. Oh my god, this is so cute. What does it say? Oh, this is so sweet. They have been the best sales team to work with. Oh my god, this is exactly what I need right now. We are so exhausted after this trip. Wow, this is the nicest room we've ever stayed in. We never stay in the rooms like these. This is so cute. Marriott, I see you. I love it. Look how cute this is. Do we have TV on the other side? Oh, we do. I love it.
Wow.
This is so sweet. Can't wait to see the view. Wow, look at that. We are right in downtown. Oh, we just finished setting up and I'm exhausted. Wow, this is so nice. Let me see the bathroom. Oh, super fancy. Okay, content. Cute, very cute. I'm so exhausted. Cannot wait to take a little napper.
We are
Where is it? It was just here.
going to hunt down this robot
Where is it?
for our food.
I just saw it. It
We don't know where it went. She found it.
Our food got delivered. Oh my god, this is hilarious. It's my first time grabbing the food. Lift the lid, okay. That is hilarious. Good morning. Day one. Hey, babe.
Oh, day one.
Day one. This is the outfit for today.
Fit check.
Fit check. You look so cute. I love that set. So we are going downstairs to grab some coffee, tea. We'll see what we have. Just like maybe 2 shades darker than here, and then we see how the neck here looks a little darker. So I would never match her to the neck color. I would match her kind of like to this color right here, like right in between this color and then this color right here. Good morning, day 2 of our training in downtown LA. We are actually started with a class because the students kind of started arriving. We were having breakfast or coffee this morning downstairs, and then they already arrived, so I couldn't check in. Look how cute this is. Hope you guys can see this. I love this setup that they have for us. Even my logo. They pulled this logo from my website. Like this team, sales team here in LA Marriott, Courtyard Marriott, has been amazing to work with. So I'm very excited to be back here to our class, to do a class again in LA. So this is my fit for today. Again, business casual, some pants, little blazer, sneakers. I really like this because it's comfy and it's nice to look good for social media, right? So we are doing a bridal look today. We're going a little bit heavier on the look because we wanted to really demonstrate a makeup look that's that can be a bridal look, but also event look for someone who wants a fuller glam. We have a beautiful woman of color as our model today. So Christine is right now just finishing part of her demo. We kind of tag team on the demo because it's so hard for one person to teach everything, and the demos take a long time. So we always have, like, Christine does the brows, I do the eyes, then she helps me with the skin, and then I do the skin complexion, and then she does the lips. So it's almost like kind of going back and forth, and I really like that. And yeah, you can kind of come in with me and see the students.
Because you're, most of the time you should be advertising it, right? My silver package comes with, you can put, I don't know, and we can touch more base on this on our coaching calls, and we can help you develop that.
Cheers.
So we just got to Cheesecake Factory. We just picked up Ivan and the baby. We're here in Marina del Rey. It's actually really pretty. We're outside the theater for us. We just dropped off Christine with her family because they're here. Also, it's Easter weekend, so they're celebrating Easter here in LA. And we came to have a little dinner, a glass of wine. Honestly, I need a glass of wine. It's been a long day. And then we're gonna go back to the hotel and probably chill for the night. I don't think we're gonna do anything big tonight, I guess. But it's so pretty. Can you show the view? Can you see the view? Maybe get up and show. It's so pretty. I love this location. And then show this one too. My cute. Did you fly a big airplane? Like this sky, big like this. Big airplane. Did you fly like this? Fast airplane. Wrapped up the class, we packed up. Hubby helped us packed up. Hey Andre, say hi. Andre is here, hi. And we are on the way to Vegas. It was an incredible class. I'm very tired, you can clearly tell. Christine stayed here in LA because it's Easter, so she's staying here with her family. I'm exhausted, but also like proud of us, proud of our students. They did an amazing job. I'm very excited for our next class, but also like after each class, I just feel so fulfilled, and I just feel like this is exactly where I want to be. This is exactly where our academy needs to be. Like going nationwide has been the best decision we've ever made for Glam Sophisticated Makeup Academy. Meeting all these students who are so grateful for us, for bringing our training, our education to them, has honestly been the best decision. I'm very, very proud of us. So this is just the last thing I want to say before I end this vlog, and I'll see you guys in Seattle.